As you can see in the map, we're in the middle of nowhere, heading up to Bouleau something lake. Let's see if we catch some fish. Got the boat in the back. You can see in the mirror, that's our friends Brock and Donna following us. Up ahead is our friends Eric and Camille. Fishing with Paul B. Adventures, baby.
There. Now you got it. Hold on. Give me like the Captain Jack. I'm a man.
Seven-point turn. Making noise. All right.
You can go a little more. Good.
There you go.
I guess
Big rock. All right. Well, that's that.
Hey Eric, stop, man. You're gonna drop off on that tire. You gotta get like more the center of your bumper on that tree.
What do you mean I'm gonna drop off on that tire?
Your back tire is gonna fall if you do what you're about to do. Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Lots of room still. Lots of room. Yeah, you're golden, buddy.
All right. That's nerve-wracking. You did it without a backup camera.
All right, we are turned around. We're gonna go back. Find a little fire pit down the way. Well, I mean, this whole valley is a fire pit, but we're gonna go cook some hot dogs. It's hot dog time. Totally washed out in front of us. This big rock slide took out the road. Big boulders in the creek. Can't get by, so hot dog time. Hot dog time. Hot dog time. Hot dog time. Bag full of hot dogs. It's hot dog time. Should be fishing time, but it's hot dog time. It's time. They're my fishing chairs. There we go. Yep, nailed it. Hey, Wendy. How's your keto wrap?
Good.
Hot dog. Back we go, and then we're gonna try another road. Looks like it goes up the same way we want to go. So I guess Wendy's locked out. What's up, baby? Little rock slide. We're gonna go over it.
Gross. Oh, yuck. It's worse being on my side.
Well, if we roll, you'll be the first one, though.
Thanks for that. It's always worse than it looks on camera.
Yeah, it's a little hairy.
Yeah? Are you sliding? Oh. That butt pucker.
Well, I'm not going to give the location of where we are, but apparently this is an old mine shaft, and someone dumped some feeder fish in here at one time, and they've grown huge. So let's see what we can see. Wonder how deep it is.
Yeah, they're orange, not gold.
Well, they did get pretty big, eh? Well, it looked like a lake on the map, but this is definitely an old mine, eh?
Yeah. Freaking cool, hey?
It is. Those guys are coming with a boat.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep going and see if we can find Beulah still?
We don't want to get a goldfish.
I don't think it's that far.
I want to get a goldfish.
All right. Well, the last one was fun and a dead end. So what do you say? You want to jump in? How cold that'd be, eh?
Your camera can pick them up.
Yeah, I could see them. Interesting.
Our GPS.
Yeah, just wild goldfish. Okay. So we found this old mine shaft, which literally has goldfish swimming around in it. And we're going to try heading up this road. It looks like it might go to the other side of that lake we were trying to get to. So we might still get there. Might still get there. So we might have to call this video how not to get to Bouleau Lake. Because so far, these trails are all washed out or avalanched. The fire did a lot of damage in this valley. Take a look out the front window. Just that. So much new growth, but the trees are just done for. Anyway, we're gonna try a little switchback we saw. We need to get up there. Well, what we've managed to accomplish here is to go up the only road that goes to the lake. It's been washed out by a rock slide. We thought we could take the switchback, but the switchback, when you follow it on the map, it's just going to take us back to the intersection we saw when we started this trip. We're literally just going higher than the trail we came in on, but we're literally kind of following the same hillside. We're just a few hundred feet above it, right below us, to the right. So, a little more explore, and we found an effective way not to get to Bouleau Lake. Subscribe. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. Yeah. This road just keeps going up and up. Now we're in the clouds.
I think we're going the right way though. We might see a lake after all.
It almost looks like we're above a lake. But we're so high up, we're above the clouds. Lake Okanagan and Kelowna are down there under all of that. Look at that. I mean, wow. Okay, I can actually on Google see the lake. The road we're on looks like it might be working. So fingers crossed this one doesn't have a dead end, but it's looking good so far. We're just going up and up and up. We're literally, I think, going over this mountain range, but we're almost, I think we're gonna get there soon. Look at this, see, this place has just been ravaged by fire. Look at all the new growth. It's gonna take years to grow them that tall again, but even after the fire, it's just green. Well, finally off that old goat trail. This road's a little better, but there we are, man. Just gotta finish this dog leg, and we drop down right on the lake. So we left at noon, and it is now 5:43. We've been searching these hills for a while, but we're almost there. The fishing better be good. Well, there's a sign. We made it. We made it. Well, we made it to the lake, and the funny thing is, look at that. You can't tell where the water starts and the sky ends, or I don't know what else to call it. Look at this. Well, let's get the fishing rod. No sense coming to a lake to make a fishing video if we're not going to fish. Oh, look, someone left a paddle boat here. Someone left a cooler here. And a shovel. And a whole schwack of fishing line. Well, let's go fishing. Okay, so that's all right, he's right there. So that was just for shore while we were getting ready to put the boat out. Eric was just bitching he can't cast far, and then boom. Want to try a couple more off the shore?
Yeah. I mean, we don't got to put the boat out.
Orange is the color. Oh, you lost it.
Yeah.
Okay. My first fish. Long enough to get here. Hey.
I'm too close to you to film. Hold him up.
Fish with Paul B, baby. All right, buddy.
Pretty little fish, eh?
What a trek. What a trek. Sun's coming out. The outro. I want to come back up here. It's already 8 at night. Eric got 1 fish in right at the shore, 3 on his hook. I got 1 in on the boat, but we were taking on a lot of water. So I got to find a better way to fix the leaks in that little boat. But anyway, this is, what do we call it? Bouleau Lake? Beulah Lake. We left at 1 o'clock. It is now 7 o'clock. We fished for maybe 20 minutes. It was quite the trek to find our way up here, but now we know how to get here. And I think we got to come back. So we'll put this in the 2 fish again lake. It'd be nice. Of course, as we're leaving, starting to clear up a little bit. You can kind of see across the lake. There's a cabin out here. Maybe there's an Airbnb. There's mosquitoes as big as seagulls. We were catching rainbow trout. Oh, and the first one that Eric caught, honestly, it was so silver, it looked like a kokanee, but he lost it before we really got to see. So I'm gonna get out of here because the mosquitoes are just starting to swarm me. So subscribe, like, do all the stuff, okay? You've been fishing with Paul B, baby.
Gonna hit my favorite spot. Baby, find a newbie. That's what you get when you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B. When you're fishing with Paul B.